Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I am excited today to bring to you Beauty Big Bang's brand new stamping polishes to review. Check them out, what gorgeous colors. So we have 6 of them here, 13 through 18. So these are labeled 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These are the boxes that they come in. Obviously I already taken them out of the box, but I wanted to show you. So there's these classic black and gold boxes that they have clearly marked there as stamping polish. Now let's take a closer look at these polishes. So here's number 13. Number 13 is an olive green. It's a beautiful cream color, and I do like this shade. I'm a green person, so I like all shades of green, really. And in comparison to their first original green, number 3, hopefully you can tell the difference there. So this is a lighter green that one of the original ones that they came out with, and this is the new one. Okay, number 13. Here's number 14, and yes, you can see it. I did do my nails already, as you can see. Here's the purple, but we will be swatching these on black and white, and that's why I have them out here, because we're going to test them out there. But this purple is absolutely gorgeous, guys. It's metallic. Look at that. Oh, I love how, oh, and looking at it directly under the light, it almost looks like it's got that chameleon shifting in there. But remember their one previous metallic stamping polish that they had was the navy blue, and I absolutely, that's one of my favorites. So yeah, this one, it's now a second favorite, number 14. And here's number 15. So 15 tends to be more of a periwinkle blue, or a very pretty denim blue. Another cream polish, just like the green. So this one, it's cream. And here's number 16. It's a bright orange, very bright orange. It's also cream. Very beautiful. And here you can see on my middle nail, I stamped it over a pastel yellow, and this is the blue from before. Here's number 17. 17, I love this yellow. This is a mustardy yellow, guys. I did not have a mustardy yellow stamping polish. Also cream, there it is. And this one, I have it not in this hand, but I have it on my left hand. Here is this, I have it against a nude color. This is my base color, and this is that mustardy yellow. And then number 18, it's a beautiful turquoise. It's a dark turquoise, also in cream. So the only metallic in this collection is the purple, and this is the beautiful turquoise that you see here on my nails. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and do swatches on all 6 of these on Beauty Big Bang stamping mat. But I'm first. Okay, so what I first want to do, I do want to, because rather than stamping directly to the mat, because this is plastic, I want to stamp to a polish. So I'm going to apply a clear coat, a coat of clear base to this, and let it dry before the stamping. And in the meantime, while if you are curious about the plates that I use for this matting, so this one right here on my left hand, I used XL053. There you see some of the images right there, mostly from down here. And then I use this one on both of these nails as a backdrop image. And then for my right hand, I used XL052. Yes, XL052. I used this image right here and this one right here. Yes. So now let's go ahead and start with the swatches. Hey guys, so here they all are. I'm holding the mat up to keep the glare from not showing the colors, but I have them in order here. So here's the green, it's number 13, and there you can see how it stamps over black and white. So I'm liking it better over white than black. Okay, this green tends to be on camera. I'm seeing here on my viewfinder, it looks like a yellowish. It tends to have some yellow in there, and so I think, see if I turn the mat there, this is this. You can see it over black. I love the purple and the blue are my two favorite ones over black. Look how nice they show. They are, and again, remember the purple is that beautiful metallic. So I try stamping here over both the white and the black. And here's the blue. That periwinkle blue is so pretty. Look how nice that shows over black. And as well, just as over white, just as nice. And then we have the orange, 13, 14, 15, 16 for the orange. So being that it's a darker color, more pigmented, so yeah, it's kind of fighting against the black there. The same thing with the yellow, that mustardy yellow. But I love them over white. And then we have the turquoise, that dark turquoise. Look how beautiful that looks over black. Very good pigmentation over black. Now this green, the only thing that, so out of these, I will say probably the green, I was expecting it to have more pigmentation over black, because look at this. So this here is their original green. Remember number 3? And look what a great pigmentation it has over white and black in comparison to, let's see if I can get both of these in frame here. So in holding the mat, see, so this is number 13. See, it looks yellow compared to this green, and you saw when you put the bottles side by side that they almost look identical, but then when you stamp, this is the original 03, number 3 and number 13. This also almost looks yellow compared to that. Guys, so there you saw how well these perform. I know there are some challenges over black, as sometimes that is the case, but nonetheless, here you can see on my manicure I used a lighter base with all 3 colors. I absolutely love how these turned out. I will leave you with some shots at the end of the video. If you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that you may use my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount, and all the links will be down in the description bar below. Now I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these beautiful stamping polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.